Hey there, how many of you use Google Chrome regularly and how many of you use the keyboard shortcuts on it? In this video, let's explore the best 20 Chrome browser shortcuts you must know today to navigate faster than ever before. Starting with Open New Tab. If you want to open a new tab, don't just click on the Tab plus button, simply press the Ctrl and the T keys together if you are on Windows, or press the Command and T keys together when you are on Mac. Next, this happens to me all the time. I open a lots of tabs and when I'm done with the current one, I go for the mouse, move it at all the way along towards the cross button to remove it. Takes time, right? Not anymore. Just press Ctrl and W keys simultaneously from Windows or the Command and W keys from the macOS. Seems like Ctrl is common for Windows shortcuts and so does the command for the macOS, right? Let's move ahead and see if the pattern fits. Now, do you want to close the entire Chrome window with multiple tabs open in it? Here, no mouse is needed. Simply press the Ctrl, Shift and W keys from Windows, and on the macOS press the Command, Shift and W keys. Pretty similar, right? Now, accidentally closed a tab. Don't worry. Reopen it by holding together the Ctrl, Shift and T keys from Windows, and on Mac press the Command key with Shift and T keys, of course. The next one is handy. Jump to a specific tab. Obviously we need to hold on to the Ctrl key and then press the specific number 5, 4 or whichever position the desired tab is opened. Same for the Mac OS, only with the Command key for replacement of the Ctrl key. Similarly, to jump to the adjacent previous or the next tab, press Ctrl, Shift and Tab keys all together. For Mac OS, replace the Ctrl key with the Command key. The next one is fun. Drag a tab to a new window. Need a single tab on a new window? Simply click, hold and drag out the tab. You can do the same on any system to have the same results. Okay, let's move ahead for shortcuts on link opening. Open link in a new tab. For this, simply press and hold the Ctrl key while clicking on the link on any known OS. Now, to open a link on a completely new window, press the Shift key while clicking on the link. This trick is valid for any system we use. Okay, let's toy with Omnibox. Want to directly edit the Chrome Omnibox? Press the Ctrl and L keys, and for the Mac OS, it's Command plus L keys. Coming to the resizing feature. For zooming in and out a Chrome tab, press the Ctrl key along with the plus or minus buttons together, and for the Mac OS, just use Command for Control as before. Now, at times, if for any reason a web page doesn't load properly, simply press the F5 key or the Ctrl and the R keys combination to refresh it. On Mac OS, do the same with the Command and R keys. And now, coming to the most used keyboard shortcuts on Chrome. To search a particular word or number within an open tab, just press the Ctrl and F keys together. On Mac OS, press the Command and F button as expected. Now, saving a web page on Chrome is also a breeze. To do it instantly, press the Ctrl and S keys together on Windows and the Command and S keys from Mac OS. Thankfully, if you have a printer connected to your system, you can even print a web page instantly. Press the Ctrl and P key simultaneously on Windows, and if you're using Mac system, press the Command button with the P button. Now coming to the famous bookmark bar. If you want to display or hide a bookmark bar just under the Chrome Omnibox, simply press Ctrl, Shift and B keys together from Windows, and for Mac OS, replace the Ctrl key with the Command key. Similarly, the Bookmark Manager also plays an important role while browsing. So if you want to directly launch a Bookmark Manager folder, press the Ctrl, Shift and O keys, and from the Mac OS, press Command, Shift and O keys all together. Now this one we do all the time. Bookmark current web page. Just press the Ctrl key along with D key, and similarly from Mac OS, press the Command and the D keys combination. Well, let's become a bit private. Now, for many reasons, when we don't want to keep any browsing history, we go to the Incognito mode. For that, press the Ctrl, Shift and N keys together from Windows And from the Mac system, simply press Command, Shift and N keys for the same results. On a similar note, to clear your browsing data for that browsing session completely, press the Ctrl, Shift and Delete keys. On a Mac, use Command key along with the rest key combination. So here's our list of the best 20 Chrome browser shortcuts you must know. These shortcuts can surely speed up your entire browsing experience. Of course, there is more, and we appreciate our viewers sharing their opinions with all of us here. Press the like or dislike button as you wish. And guys, if you think this info helped you on the go, share all you can to spread the knowledge. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive similar interesting videos in the future. You can also check the links below for our previous uploads. Take care, see you in the next one.